Hello, what are you doing? How may are you please? Where are you from? Huh? What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Who are you? Why you come here? Do you hear me what I ask you? If you don't speak English, let I say Khmer. ឈ្មោះអីដែរហ៎មកពីណាហើយបានសួរមិនឆ្លើយអាយុប៉ុន្មានហើយមិនមានការអីដែរសួរខ្មែរក៏មិនឆ្លើយអេ hello Boy, chill.